Do you want to create a much cooler and more original Father's Day gift than this boring old shirt? I'll show you the step-by-step instructions to make something like this unique and amazing design right here. Let's get to it. Hello and welcome back to the Goneedle channel. As I'm sure most of you know, Father's Day is just around the corner. And I'm sure all of you are trying to find a way to get something nice for your father. Now, I'm sure there are multiple different ways you can go about doing this, but a personalized gift is by far the best idea. Now, what I was thinking is, how about you make a nice decal design or something you can put on a shirt or garment to gift to your father, such as this image right here. As you can see, it says Dad, and then there are multiple different words made up inside of it. Now, this is going to be a print and cut file, so you'll be printing it out and then you're going to put it onto a garment. So I'm going to show you just how to make this. There are two ways to do this. There's the old-fashioned way, and then there's the much easier way. First of all, I'll show you the old-fashioned way. Now, what you're going to want to do is, first of all, again, outline of the word or letter. Mine specifically was D. So go ahead and grab this letter D. Now, what I do want to do is change this font to something nice and thick, such as this. How about something else? Let's see, something nice and thick. This one looks nice. There we go. This is good. So if you had this letter, what you want to do is put your words inside of the letter. That's correct. So you can simply do this by going ahead and typing more words of text that you'd like to put in. Let's go with loving, then you can add a few more. Kind. Awesome. I cannot spell, apologies. There we go. So say we have already a few, and you want to add these words inside of here. Well, first of all, you can go ahead and change the color of the D just so you can see it. Yep, there we go. And what you want to do is obviously take your words, fit them how you want in here, turn them around. Oops. And as you can see, I've only done 3 letters, and this has already taken so much time. However, if you do like this idea, you can simply go ahead and fill the rest of this word with letters. Go ahead and finish anything else you'd want to do. However, I know a way that is much easier. So to do this, you want to go ahead and go to Google Chrome or Safari if you're on Mac, and go to this website called wordart.com. This is an extremely simple website to use where you can create word art. Now first, you're going to want to import any words that you'd like to use, of course. I have a list of words. I'm just going to go ahead and paste into here. You can make your own words, whatever you'd like. Go ahead and press this. There we go. See, I have my own words right here. You can go ahead and click import your words, and all your words will show up. Now, what you can do is you can adjust the size, which just means when you make your word cloud, those words will be a little bigger than the rest, or show up more times. You can also change the color of the words, and the angle, as well as certain fonts if you'd like to change the font. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and go to shapes. So this is what your word cloud is going to basically be in. I want to make it actually just the word dad. So you can actually select add text and type, whatever you like. You can adjust it, make it bold, italic, you can change the font. I think I'll keep it just like this. Go ahead and add this to shapes, and once you click it, it'll simply be highlighted in blue. That means it is selected. And you can also select any font you like. I like this font that it already gives you, Heuristica. It's a nice simple font and makes all the words nice and clear. All you have to do now is click visualize. Once it's completed, as you can see, there are all these words filled up inside the letter dad. Sorry, inside the word dad. But as you can see, they're all right side up. And if I'm being honest, it looks a little boring. So if you want to adjust that, you can go to layout and change it to any different kind you like. Personally, my favorite is the horizontal and vertical. Once you visualize this looks so much better. All the words are organized and yet still random. There are multiple words that are nice and big that you can use, and this just looks amazing. Now, all you have to do from here is go ahead and download it. You can download it as a PNG or a JPEG, just standard ones for free. However, if you'd like, you can pay and save it in other file formats such as the SVG or the PDF or the anything else. I'll just go ahead and save it as a standard PNG for now. To do this, you can save it. I'll just save it as word art dad. Simple. Save. Once you do that, it'll show up in your downloads, and from there you can go ahead and go into Cricut. I'll just go ahead and hide these, and you want to upload that file that you just made. So you can go ahead and browse for it in your file folder. Mine is right here, word art dad, just like we saved it. Go ahead and open it, choose complex, continue, and save. And once you do that, it will save right here and show up. Once you do that, you can go ahead and insert that image, and it'll show up right here. Now, it might look a little blurry from this area. However, once you click make it, and look here, it is actually perfectly sharp. And as you can see, all the words are made up inside the word dad, which is perfect and exactly what we want. Now from here you can go on and click continue, and you can go on and print this and cut it and then attach it to your garment. Again, this is a print and cut file and not, a print and cut file. I'll just go ahead and click cancel. And there you go. You can do this with any word you like. You can add any words you want inside. You can also change the color of certain words. And yeah, honestly, this tool, let me just go back to it right here. It's extremely simple. It's the easiest way to make a simple, easy design for your father for Father's Day. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos and cool videos like this on Cricut Design Space.